You searched for how to buy shares of Prelude Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biotech company focused on oncology therapies. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PRLD, and this information is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker PRLD to find Prelude Therapeutics. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that shows PRLD to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the brief company overview and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the company name, sector, and the NASDAQ PRLD symbol so you have the right asset. Click or tap Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After your order is placed, the new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow this walkthrough.